everyone, we have another easy one today. We are going to make some really fun little lollipops. So you could make a bouquet of lollipops if you wanted to, or you could just give these out to your little kiddos, could give them as Valentine gifts also, but we are going to make these today. So I'll set one of them here so you can kind of see it. All we've got to do is take these little hearts. These hearts are available at the Dollar Tree. It's an entire pack of them that you get, and as you can see, they kind of all come together like this. So you just pull each one of those apart, and it's just a whole bunch of little hearts, just little simple glitter hearts, and you can get them at the Dollar Tree. And then any lollipop will do. I picked some that were pink because I thought that was kind of cute and it went well with these little hearts, but you can use whatever you've got. So all you're going to do is pick out 5 larger hearts. Let's go with the red ones for the outside on this one. So pick out 5 of the larger ones out of this pack, and all of these come together in one single pack at the Dollar Tree. So we'll pick out 4 small ones and 5 large ones, and that's what we'll go ahead and make it out of. You want to just make sure that when you're gluing each piece together that you don't glue it in the center. So put your glue just up here, right about in the center of the heart. And we're just going to work our way around and glue each one together. So go ahead and just put your glue on the side of each piece. All the way around until you get all 5 of those connected. The only thing you just want to be sure about is not to get any glue down here in the center, because that's how your lollipop is going to go through there. And if that's glued together, it's not going to work very well. You could always use a hole punch and put a hole in it if you need to later, but if you just avoid gluing that, you can slide it right through when we're done. So again, we just took 5 of these big hearts. On this one, we're going to go ahead and glue both sides, because this will be our last one to bring it all together. So glue both sides and then put your last heart on there. So that's it. We glued our outside 5 ones together, and then the 4 in the center, go ahead and put 2 across from each other on there first, and that'll give you the even spacing to lay your other 2 on there. So if you go opposite, just like that. Put one on this side and put one straight across from it that way, then you'll know where to lay your other 2 when you're putting it on there. So just 5 big hearts on the outside, 4 little hearts on the inside. And there again, I'm just gluing, if you can see, at the top of where the heart is going to go. I don't want any of that glue to land down in the bottom, so we can still put our lollipop through there. The glue gun always makes a little bit of a mess. If you guys missed the video, I am giving away a glue gun this month. So there is a video a few days ago, and it's a glue gun quite a bit like this. It happens to be the mini version of it, but works just as well, and it's a cordless one. So if you guys haven't already put your name in that one, there's just a couple directions in that video you can watch and learn how to do that. So this is it. We just put our 5 large hearts on the outside, our 4 little hearts on the inside, and then go ahead and just poke your lollipop right through the middle. If you have trouble, you can pick those 2 pieces up, slide it through, get that hole kind of opened up, and then poke your lollipop all the way through. And then when you have this wrapping on the lollipop, go ahead and just twist it through in the direction that is spun on the lollipop. So that's how you put it together, and you can kind of scrunch it up like this. If you want to put a whole bunch of them together in a bouquet, that's adorable. If you wanted to get just a piece of paper and cut off a little tag, just go ahead and cut off a nice long tag. And then write something on it. Here's my marker. We're going to do, for a lollipop, let's do "You're Sweet." So we'll write "You're Sweet" on it. And then go ahead and glue that around the bottom of your lollipop. So if you can see, I just folded that paper over. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue right here. And then glue your little tag on there. So That makes a really cute little Valentine for the kids if you want to do one like that. I am going to be giving away these hearts and these lollipops. So all you have to do in the comments is just type Valentine down below if you guys want to win this, and we're going to give away just a full pack of these hearts so you can make a bunch of these at home and a pack of lollipops. So thank you guys again for joining me, and again, if you don't want to do it as a Valentine, you can put a whole bunch of them together and make it a bouquet. So thanks again, guys. Have a great day.